When it comes to business aviation, some critical considerations include speed, cost, and comfort. However, the range is equally as crucial for the most extended range private jets. Fortunately, Bombardier Global 8000 will fulfill all of your requirements. Today, we will be discussing the game changer in its class, the Bombardier Global 8000, which is also the longest range private jet. Make sure you watch until the end to find out which feature is the best of them all. Enjoy complete ease and luxury wherever you go in the world with the cabin of the Bombardier Global 8000, which was meticulously crafted to cater to the traveling requirements of today's business executives. In addition, the Global 8000 business jet was designed to maximize the amount of work that passengers can do during long-haul flights. The Bombardier Global 8000 is a large jet that was first manufactured in 1989 and is still, and most likely, will continue to be manufactured. The cabin of the Bombardier Global 8000 is divided into 3 zones to give customers more freedom and options when choosing floor designs. The interior has a total volume of 2,236 cubic feet and measures 45.6 feet in length, 8.2 feet in width, and 6.25 feet in height. These dimensions permit a comfortable seating capacity for 14 passengers with a maximum seating capacity of 17, depending on the configuration. In addition, if your typical piece of luggage takes up less space than 5 cubic feet, the baggage compartment has the capacity to hold anywhere from 21 to 28 bags. It connects some of the world's most expensive city pairings, including Los Angeles to Dubai, Sydney to Apollo, or Tokyo to San Juan. It also comes with GE Passport engines explicitly designed for the Global 8000 business jet, powering it up to a maximum speed of Mach 0.925. With dependable reliability and advanced fuel efficiency, the full range of the G8000 is 7,900 miles, but this can be affected by headwinds, high altitude, or even hot temperatures. The Global 8000 aircraft is capable of providing the industry's most comfortable and smoothest flight thanks to a cutting-edge wing design combined with excellent wing loading. This results in a ride quality that is simply unmatched in the world of business aviation. They are created to provide the highest possible level of technological advantage, and in conjunction with a Global 7000, the G8000 was also recently established. Its canted winglets reduce turbulence at the tips of the wings, making it a combination of comfort and power despite its enormous wingspan of 31.7 meters. The fantastic cabin design of the Global 8000 has been meticulously crafted to cater to the traveling requirements of today's business executives. The private jet known as the Global 8000 was developed to increase the work completed by passengers during extended flights. Do you want to know what's even more interesting? You are able to do video conference, download high bandwidth material, stream high-definition content seamlessly in an interior suite, and stay in touch at all times while flying around the world on board the Global 8000 aircraft, which provides office-like connectivity via aviation's fastest global in-flight internet connectivity. On board, you may always find solace and privacy. In addition, the Global 8000 aircraft offers the most cutting-edge and exquisite comfort. This private area comes equipped with an unrivaled selection of fixtures, such as the industry's first stand-up shower and private bathroom. When it comes to long-haul flights, a permanently accessible and well-equipped crew rest area that maximizes both comfort and privacy ensures that cabin comfort follows the crew. Looking at its performance, this jet is powered by a General Electric Passport, and its engine has a maximum thrust of 16,500 pounds. As a result, the engines produce fewer nitrogen oxide emissions and require around 8% less fuel burn. The G8000 has a range of 7,900 nautical miles and a maximum cruise speed of 487 knots, making it one of the fastest jets of its class. In addition, it has a service ceiling of 51,000 feet, and the Global 8000 is equipped with a Bombardier version flight deck with fly-by-wire technology that has been modified. The tried and true fly-by-wire system developed by Bombardier was created to maximize safety by using a balanced architecture. This architecture combines the freedom of control input with the industry's most comprehensive flight envelope protection. Also, the Global 8000 cabin standard interior configuration is completed with dual convection microwave ovens, a sink and a faucet, a coffee espresso machine, and chilled storage. It has a restroom with windows and let-in natural light, complete with a vanity sink and a faucet. It also has a private crew area outfitted with breathable seats, power outlets, storage closet space for passengers and crew members' belongings, and a storage closet for passengers and crew members. It comes in with a club suite that features 4 cushioned executive seats that are ergonomically adjustable, 2 side tables that can be concealed, and detailed side ledges. Just when you thought that's too much for a jet, it surprises you with a TV mounted on the large wall and of high definition, a large entertainment cabinet with media storage, 4 seats for meetings and dinings, and a dining space. Now, because safety is always the top priority at Global 8000, each employee has their own private suite. Additionally, it has a breathable Devon patent ergonomically adjustable executive seat with 3 seating positions, a concealable side table, and a corner entertainment cabinet. The Global 8000 has custom suites that allow you to define your cabin from various configurations, floor plans, and furnishings. This remarkable flexibility also extends to the carefully crafted furnishing options to enhance and personalize each living space. It has an ensuite, a private lavatory with a window vanity and available shower, larger windows with unrestricted and safe access to a 195 cubic feet baggage compartment, and large windows with virtually limitless freedom. The cabin of the Bombardier Global 8000 is also quite spacious, measuring 63.32 cubic meters in volume. It has a maximum capacity of 19 passengers, in addition to a maximum of 4 crew members. Bombardier's new wide seating architecture is the first new seat architecture in business aviation in 30 years. This is critical because it facilitates the movement that reflects their clientele's desires, personal taste, and lifestyle. The industry's first entirely new seating architecture in the past 3 decades, new wide seating, was designed to maximize passenger comfort and relaxation on long-haul flights. In addition, the new watch offers a new, ergonomically improved deep recline position that is unavailable on any other business aviation. This is in contrast to other aircraft seats, which only have the back pivot, which causes the body to be pushed forward and results in discomfort. A brand new watch has a seat that slopes downward, while the back reclines completely, cradling the wearer's body and ensuring the highest level of comfort. So, what's the cockpit like? Well, the latest version of the Bombardier Vision flight deck, installed on the Global 8000 aircraft, features the most spacious cockpit in the industry. The Global Vision cockpit, which includes 4 large-screen liquid crystal displays or LCDs, a head-up display system or HUD, an enhanced vision system, and a synthetic vision system will be available on Bombardier Global 8000 aircraft. In addition, an onboard maintenance system or OMS, data link, SITCOM, a sophisticated cabin management system, and pilot data link communication will be all included. In addition, again, the aircraft will be equipped with graphic flight planning. Now looking at the jet's market value. The price of most recent model of the Bombardier Global 8000 aircraft is around $70 million, which is what you'd expect with all the features it's shipping with. NetJets placed an order for 50 global planes with Bombardier under a contract worth $2.8 billion in March of 2011. The agreement included 20 firm orders for Bombardier G7000 and Global 8000 aircraft, and deliveries of these planes started in 2017. In September of 2012, Bombardier received an order for one of their Global 8000 aircraft from a customer whose identity was not disclosed for obvious reasons, obviously. And in November 2012, VistaJet placed an order for 6 Bombardier Global 8000 jets as part of a $7.8 billion contract for the global aircraft line. Based on 2,000 hours worked annually, the cost per mile for a Global 8000 is approximately 13.78. But if you fly 400 hours per year, you can spread the entire fixed cost over more flight hours, bringing your cost per mile down to 10.50. These budgets do not consider the cost of depreciating the jet or the cost of capital. It is also adjusted with controller pilot data link communication. But of course, at $70 million, the Bombardier Global 8000 is not for everyone. It has a very distinct class for which it will serve, but there is a market for it, and it is a market that has relatively few competitors. However, what do you think is the perfect jet for long-distance travel? Let us know in the comment section down below. But before you come up with your new judgment, why don't you click on this video to look inside the $72 million Gulfstream G800? See you in the next video. Bye!